Dear students, welcome to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Chhauni Bethiya. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to the same e-learning platform. Students, as you know that we are providing materials through our e-learning platform which are just very useful for you, and we are very much delighted to know that you are taking interest, you are going through all the videos, you are watching the videos nicely and taking and getting benefits from that one. The students, yesterday I taught you the usage of some important determiners. I taught you the use of demonstrative adjectives, these, that, these and those, and usage of articles. Today I have decided to teach you the usage of rest of the determiners which are possessive in nature. Students, you know that possessive means to show relationship. Possessive adjectives are used to show relationship. Their usages are decided or determined by the use of subjective case of that very particular person, that very particular subject. Suppose if there is you in place of subject, its possessive case will be yours. If he is there in place of subject or subjective mood or subjective case, its possessive case will be his. If we is there used in place of subjective case, are is possessive adjective. If she is used in place of subjective case, her is its possessive adjective. So students, you have already been taught about the usage of these possessive adjectives. So please refresh yourself. Keep the usage of possessive adjectives whenever we should use them or whenever are they used. Their use is determined by the subjective case of that very particular pronoun which needs possessive case, that has to be filled up in coming what? Just gaps. So I think you don't have any problem regarding that. Please keep subjective and possessive case in mind. In between subjective and possessive case, there is objective case also, that is not the need of the time and that should not be kept in mind while you are trying your level best to supply or to fill up possessive adjective used as determiners. Students, the next and the last topic of this one is that use of some other adjectives like adjectives of number. Adjective of numbers has been divided into two groups, definite and indefinite. Both of them, selected both of them, may be used as determiners. Suppose we have to write 1, 2, 3, they are also used as determinants. It's very simple to keep it in mind that they, especially I am talking about 1, 2, 3, they show the possession or rank of very particular noun which we have to supply. Students, now we are going to study about some other important adjectives which are also used as determiners. They are generally used in pair. Suppose we have to study about the use of use of much and many. I am going to make difference in between them. Much and many, they are adjectives. They have same Hindi meaning which is much more than required. Much is used before uncountable noun while many is used before plural countable noun. Example, I have much water in the bottle and there are many boys in the field. Students, these two examples are in position to make you aware of the difference in between much and many. one more difference is that much is also used before past participle. Past participle means just formed past participle which is made from an adjective. I was much surprised to see you. Surprised is past participle made from an adjective. Students, the difference between much and many is also determined by few and little. Few is opposite to much and little is opposite to many. Few and little, they are same for their Hindi meaning and they may be used for less amount. Many is determined by few and little goes against much. So it is very much clear, many is opposite to few, much is opposite to little. So keep it in mind, few is also used before plural countable noun while little is used before singular, or you can say uncountable noun as much is used. There are few boys in the field. There is little water in the pond. So these are similarities and dissimilarities in between much and many, few and little. So students, now I shall come to the pair some and any. They are also similar for their Hindi meaning, which is less, which is just less than required, but the difference is that any is generally used in negative as well as interrogative sentences, while some is generally used in affirmative sentences. I have some books in my bag. I have some rice in my bag. These two examples make it clear that some may be used before countable or uncountable noun. The moment it is used before countable noun, it is used in plural mood, and when it is used before uncountable noun, it is used in singular mood. As far as the use of any is concerned, it is generally used before just singular, countable or uncountable noun. Now move to other words which are also used as an adjective, which are now all and both. These two words, all and both, they are also used as determiners. All means whatever present or whatever provided, both means only two. The similar thing between all and both is that both of the determiners, both of the adjectives take plural verb and plural noun after them. But sometimes all may be used before singular, or you can say uncountable noun, and in that case it takes singular verb. So dear students, these are the important words used as determiners. I hope you have understood, you have gone through all the rules I have taught. What is the need of the time? That you have to do more and more exercises, integrated exercises, applied exercises. So I have decided to give you few questions as your homework, which is added here at the bottom of the video. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Question number 2 is also fill in the blanks. Question number 3 is omission, which is an applied form, which is an integrated form, and question number 4 is rearrange, which is also asked in your examinations. So dear students, do all these questions in your homework copy and just place it before me when our school is going to reopen. So do all these questions and try to go through the rules. Thank you. Wait for the next video.